Let us discuss in this video product of vectors. Okay, in this again the subchapter dot product. Now the question is the equation of plane passing through the point with position vector A and perpendicular to B is what? Options are r dot A cross B equals to 0. Now second one r equals to A cross B, and third one r equals to B cross A, and the fourth one r minus A dot B equals to 0. Okay, let the equation of plane, actually the plane, if the plane passing through the vector means if any plane suppose passing through A, then the plane contains like this r minus A. Okay, if the plane passes through, then that is a r minus A. Okay, one vector is a r minus A. Okay, and leave it. And also it is a perpendicular to the B. Okay, the plane which is perpendicular to the B, suppose A and B are perpendicular to each other vectors, then A dot B equals to 0. The dot product will be 0. So the plane passes through the r minus A and also perpendicular to the B. Okay, it is passes through actually A, yes or no? So that's why the vector is a r minus A now, and also it is perpendicular to the B. So the dot product will be the 0. Okay, r minus A dot B equals to 0. So our option is r minus A dot B equals to 0. Okay. Now this is the answer. Now here question is, if mod A plus mod B equals to mod C and mod A plus B equals to C, then the angle between A and B is what? 0 degrees or pi by 6, pi by 3 or pi by 2. Okay, let us prove, let us find. Let we know clearly, let A plus B equals to C. Suppose taking squaring on both sides, then we will get what? Now it is a square plus B square plus 2AB equals to C square. Okay. Now shall I write this one as a mod A square plus mod B square, okay, 2AB equals to mod C square. Okay, because of A square equals, definitely we will write mod A square. Okay, then mod A square plus mod B square plus 2AB equals to, now mod C equals to, shall I write this one? Definitely it is a plus B, mod A plus mod B whole square. Then that equals to, again it is a plus B whole square, mod A square mod B square plus 2 mod A mod B. Okay. Now comparing on both sides, LHS and RHS, so A square mod B square mod A square mod B squares are cancelled. Okay, and also 2 get cancelled. Now remaining is a A and B by A dot B, it is A dot B by, will also be A dot B, mod A dot mod B equals to, what about this, 1, yes or no? Okay, but actually our formula is the angle between A and B is a theta. If the angle between A and B is a theta, then cos theta equals to A dot B by mod A mod B. Okay, the angle between two vectors. Then that equals to cos theta equals to what? Now it is nothing but what? 1, yes or no? Okay, then cos theta equals to 1, then theta equals what? Cos 0 degrees. Then theta equals to 0 degrees. Okay, which option? The first option is, okay, 0 degree. Now the question is, if theta is acute angle and the vector sin theta I plus cos theta j is perpendicular to the vector I minus root 3j, then theta equals to what? Which option? Pi by 6 or pi by 5, pi by 4, pi by 3. Okay. Given two vectors are perpendicular to each other. If A equals to sin theta I plus cos theta j and B equals to I minus root 3j. Okay. A and B are perpendicular to each other. Okay. If two vectors are perpendicular to each other, then A dot B equals to 0. We know. Yes or no? Okay. Then the dot product of both I quotient into I quotient, sin theta into 1, sin theta into 1 plus cos theta into j quotient is a cos theta, here j quotient is a minus root 3. Minus root 3 equals to 0. Okay. Let's see the simplification. Sin theta minus root 3 cos theta equals to 0. Then sin theta equals to root 3 cos theta equals cos theta. Then sin theta by cos theta equals to what? Root 3. Now the tan theta equals to root 3. Then tan, it is a 60. 60 means theta equals to 60 pi by 3. Okay. Now our option is the fourth one. Now the question is, if A equals mod A equals to 3, mod B equals to 4 and modulus of A minus B equals to 5, and then find then mod A plus B equals to what? Okay. Here A and B are two vectors. Options are 6, 5, 4, 3. Okay. Now think, what is the relationship between mod A, mod B and mod A minus B, mod A plus B? Okay. Now which relation can be taken here? Let now suppose mod A plus B whole square plus mod A minus B whole square equals to, shall I write like this, 2 of mod A square plus mod B square. Okay. It is like A plus B whole square plus A minus B whole square equals to 2A square plus 2B square actually. Okay. Now you are applying mods because of given there. Okay. We need actually this one. Let it is as it is, write it. Okay. Then mod A minus B whole square equals what? 5 square. Okay. Then 2 into mod A means 3, 3 square. Now it is a 4 square. Okay. Let simplification. Mod A plus B whole square plus 25. Now this one 3 square 9. Now it is a 16, is a 25. Okay. Let mod A plus B whole square equals to 50 minus 25 is a 25 again. Then A plus B equals to mod A plus B equals to 5. Okay. Now which option? Second option. Option is second one. Now the question is, if A and B are unit vectors and theta is the angle between them, then A minus B will be a unit vector if theta equals to what? 45 degrees, 60 or 30 or 90. Okay. Let us check. Now A and B are unit vector. First of all, A and B are unit vectors. That means modulus of A and modulus of B be the 1. Okay. And also what? The angle between A and B is a theta. Okay. Let's say that is a theta. A minus B will be a unit vector, and also given A minus B will be the unit vector. Okay. Now we have to find the angle between A and B. Theta equals to what? Okay. Suppose taking here square on both sides, then we will get 1 square is a 1. Now it is a mod A square Shall I write like this direct? B square minus 2a dot b equals to 1. Okay, it is like a previous question, yes or no? Okay, now it is a 1 and 1 minus 2 a dot b equals to 1, 1, 1 it cancel and remains a 2 a dot b equals to 2 into a dot b is a 1, then a dot b equals to 1. Okay, if a dot b is the 1 by 2, if a dot b is a 1 by 2, the angle between a and b is a theta, then cos theta equals to, we know, a dot b by mod a mod b. A dot b be the 1 by 2, now it is a 1 into 1, 1 by 2. It is nothing but cos 60. Okay, cos 60 will be the 1 by 2, then cos theta equals to cos 60, then theta equals to 60. Okay, now this is our answer. Now second one is the right option. Now the question is, a plane is a at a distance of 8 units from the origin and is perpendicular to the vector 2i plus j plus 2k, then the equation of the plane is what? Okay, when we know the distance, that is a p equals to 8 units, and that is a perpendicular to the vector, this vector. Okay, if any plane, it is a with p distance unit, p units distance from the origin and is a perpendicular to the vector in vector, then the equation of the plane is, actually the formula is r dot n cap equals to p. Okay, now this is the equation of plane. Okay, so what about n? This is a unit vector. Given vector is a 2i plus j plus 2k. Now the unit vector, it should be unit vector, then n equals to what? 2i plus j plus 2k. Okay, by modulus of 2i plus j plus 2k. Okay, 2i plus j plus 2k by, now it is nothing but 2i plus j, now 2 square, 4 plus 1 plus 4, that is nothing but, it is a 9, so 1 by 3, 2i plus j plus 2k. Okay, now substitute here r dot, now 1 by 3, 2i plus j plus 2k equals to p is nothing but 8. Now r dot 2i plus j plus 2k equals to 24. This is our equation of plane. Then which one? The first one is the r dot 2i plus j plus 2k, but here 8 only. Now actually, now in second one, I plus 2j plus 2k, it is not actually given vector. Okay, and third one also same like that, 2i plus 2j plus, it is also wrong. These are not options. So the fourth one is r dot 2i plus j plus 2k equals to 24 is the right option. Okay. Okay. Let our question is, if a, b, c are perpendicular to b plus c, c plus a and a plus b respectively, and if a plus b equals 6, b plus c equals to 8 and c plus a equals to 10, then what about modulus of a plus b plus c is? Okay, 5 root 2, 50, 10 root 2 or 10. Okay, let us check our given problem. Actually I am doing like this. Here a plus b whole square plus b plus c whole square plus c plus a, okay, whole square equals to 6 square plus 8 square plus 10 square, yes or no? Okay, then that equals 36 plus 64 plus 100, 200. Okay, now this is nothing but a square plus b square plus c square, a square plus b square, 2a dot b plus 2, here also b square plus c square plus b dot c plus c square plus b square plus 2c dot a equals to 200. Okay, now how many a squares are here? Now here a square, okay, 2a squares and b squares and c squares, and also we have here, now that is nothing but 2a square plus b square plus c square is a 2 into a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a equals to 200. Okay, now 2 get cancelled. Okay, 2 is a common, 2 ones are, now this one also cancel. Now let a square plus b square plus c square, now this is nothing but, okay, that equals to 0. Okay, because of here clearly given a dot b, a b c are perpendicular to a b plus c, c plus a and a plus b. Okay, so that's why suppose for example a is a perpendicular to the b plus c, then that equals to 0. A dot b plus c equals 0, then a dot b plus b dot c equals to 0. Yes or no? Similarly remaining b dot c, c dot a, c dot e, a dot b, like that. Okay, a dot b plus b dot c equals to 0. Okay, so a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a, it should be 0 definitely. Okay, plus 0 equals to this side 100. Okay, then a square plus b square plus c square equals to 10 square. Okay, now shall I write like this? A plus b plus c, a plus b plus c whole square equals to, we know clearly that is a square plus b square plus a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a, then it is a square plus b square plus c square. Already we have a square plus b square plus c square equals to 10 square. Yes or no? 10 square plus it is nothing but 0, then that is a 10 square. Similarly a plus b plus c whole square equals to 10 square, therefore modulus of a plus b plus c equals to 10. Okay, now which option? The fourth one is a right option. Okay, let us go with the next one. Discussing about the question, the perpendicular distance from the origin to the plane 3x plus 4y plus 5z equals to 25 equals to, the options are 3 by 5, 3 by 4 root 2, 5 by root 2. Okay, let us go with our problem. Actually the distance equals to, the formula d by the perpendicular distance from the origin to the plane ax plus by plus cz plus d equals to d is a d by under root a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, now comparing to the 3x plus 4y plus 5z equals 25 to the ax plus by plus cz equals to d, then here a equals to 3. Now d is the 25 by under root a square b square plus c square. Okay, then that equals to 25 by now 9 plus 16 plus 25. Okay, then that equals 25 by root 50. Okay, then the distance equals to 25 by, what's that, 25 root 2. Yes or no? Sorry, root 25 into 2, 25 into 2, then that equals to 25 by 5 root 2, 5 is. Now this is nothing but 5 by root 2. Okay, these are the previous MCET questions, very important questions. Okay, if you like, please share and please comment on comment box. Thank you so much.